Okay, sorry about that. Instagram only allows for 1 hour of live streaming at a time, which I probably should have known that, but I didn't. So I decided to go ahead and finish this up with just recording instead of being live, and I will post this as soon as I'm done. This is completely melted, but it's not at the right temperature. Remember, I had to do the first one, heat it up to 180. I only have it heated up to 160. It shouldn't take too long to get it right. Yeah, so 163. If you missed the first half, you can watch it right now on our Instagram. But I will go over what we covered on that first part, and that's the number 8,973. I posted about that last night, and I said, what does that number mean, and why is it important? That is the number of followers we need as an Instagram page to reach 10K. Why is it important that we reach 10K? Instagram does not allow for links to be added to your stories that go outside of Instagram unless you have a minimum of 10K followers. Now, for most makers, that's not a big deal. But for us, if you don't know, let me tell you, we've had several of our products flagged incorrectly as being adult items or tobacco sale or even firearms um, or weapon sale, which means we cannot put them in ads if we decide to run ads on Facebook or Instagram. And it also means that for some of them, we cannot link them to our shops on Instagram and Facebook, which means instead of you being able to click the picture, click the link, buy it, you didn't have to go to the website and try and search for it, which can be very inconvenient. And so that's something we want to try to eliminate. And another thing with that is since we have that in between link with Facebook and Instagram where you click the link and it takes you to our website. We want to try to eliminate that and just have you go directly to the website instead of you're in the Instagram shopping cart and then you check out on our website. Now there is an option for us to just sell it through Instagram, but since our products keep getting misflagged, it's not really ideal for us. We also went over new lip scrub ideas and flavors. We got the suggestion of coffee and peach, and we talked about gift sets. Now, what we're making, if you didn't read the title and don't already know, is wax tarts. We did the white half, which is right here. We did the white half. And it's okay that it's ugly. And we're going to do the red half next. What we're making is a peppermint and coffee wax bark. So we're doing the white and we're doing the red, and we're going to let those cool down. Then I will remove them from here, break them up, and then we'll do a big sheet of brown with a coffee fragrance in it. And as that starts to cool, we'll throw that in there. So it looks like it's speckled with peppermint candy. And that'll be our new wax melt for the holiday season. We've got several already. They're not visible yet because they will be going up with our first Christmas launch in November, next month, on the 6th. We've got a lot of fun stuff planned out, and I think this might be ready. Okay. So I'm gonna turn this off. I don't know. Last time, if you didn't watch it, if you haven't watched it yet, when I took this out, it cooled so quickly, and I'm just a little worried it'll cool quickly again. So, but I'm gonna go for it. Oops, wrong direction. This is my first time using this. Okay. It's out. It's at 172. We need this to drop to about 150, 140, and it's dropping pretty quickly because it's cold in here. And that could be pretty bad for it, because you really want your wax to cool slowly, but what can you do? The basement is cold. So I've got some candle dye that I'm going to use, but I also want a little bit of sparkle in it, so you got some nice magic happening a little bit. This is just a wax start, so I'm not worried about the wick being clogged, because there is no wick. But I don't think you should try and use mica in your candles. I could be wrong. I've never made a candle before, but I don't think you should try to do that. So it's at 157. Oh, jump back up. It's at 159. I mixed the mica into the fragrance, which I will add when this gets to a suitable temperature. But I'm going to go ahead and mix this color in, because it's best to mix the color in when it's hot. So, and I hope I got the amount right. It looks good, but it always looks good in dark. And then I find out, nope, sorry sis, you didn't add enough color. So hopefully I got it right this time. I think I'll have to reuse this container. That looks pretty good and stained. Okay, so do not be alarmed. I'm not starving myself. My stomach is just being aggressive for no reason. Okay, so we're at 155, 154. When it gets to 150, I'm going to add in the fragrance and stir for 2 minutes. It's at 151. It's dropping pretty fast. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the fragrance and the mica. Now the mica will sink to the bottom. That's okay, because when it melts, oh, that's so pretty, you guys. When it melts, can you see that? It's going to look fantastic. Well, it might not look as fantastic as this, because like I said, it's going to be going on to a brown wax, so it looks like peppermint and coffee bark. this stirring at the 2-minute mark here. Comment down below what are some gift sets you guys would like to see. I've got some suggestions here. Bubble bath set, oil scrub, bath bomb, bubble, and butter. So pretty much an all-around set. I would suggested that I add a candle into a bath set. That's a good idea. We might have to see if we can work that out. Let's do half bubbles, half bath bombs. I'm thinking a nice scrub and butter set, because we're not looking for huge gift sets. We want to do something that you can put in a stocking stuffer. Now we do have a big box coming out. We do have a big box set coming out for Christmas. For the holiday season, whatever gift giving season you celebrate, or maybe you just want to, get it for yourself. So yeah. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so pretty. I don't think it's quite showing up. I'm hoping when I pour it shows it better. I'm going to be pouring in just a minute because it's about ready. It's about at the temperature, or not temperature, I'm coming up on the 2-minute mark here. And let's see. Oh, it's time to pour. Here we go. Oh my gosh. You guys see that? Look at that. That is the prettiest. Ooh, I'm running out of space. So that's going to take a good long time to cool off, which is good because you want your wax to cool off slowly. You don't want it to cool off quickly. There's a reason why, and I can't remember what that reason is, but you don't want it to cool off too quickly. Wax has to cure almost like soap. Now, it's not dangerous to use your wax melt or your candle early, but you won't get as good as a throw if you do. It's better to let it cure for 3 weeks or so. This won't be available till the 6th. So 6th of next month, so that by that time it'll be good and cured. So I'm gonna take you down here, bring you in for a close-up. Trust me, it's gonna look amazing when it's done. Okay, see you later.